Hey friend, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is down below. You can I post beauty, lifestyle, panning videos and that kind of stuff. So today I thought I would do like a chatty tutorial. I don't think this is necessarily gonna be a super chit chat. Get ready for me. I did do like a more life update chatty get ready for me a couple days ago from when I'm filming this. I think this video will go up within the next week or two. I have no idea when this is going up, but I thought I would get ready on camera, just get out of the shower, so my hair is wet, but you know, that makes it authentic. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's just get right into it. I want to use a lot of my panning products. I have the project pan roulette that I'm taking part in is going up will be up before this, so I'm going to share all those things since it won't be a secret by the time you see this video and stuff. But I just wanted to get ready on camera today, and this won't be my follow-up, but I do want to like use some and stuff. So I'm just going to prime with the Pores Be Gone by Katiexobeauty. Then I want to take a little bit of this Hydrate Professional, which I like a lot better than the regular Professional. It's so good, but obviously I wouldn't repurchase this since Benefit is not cruelty free, but I have been enjoying that, and I thought today it would mix the two. Thought it might be a fun little combo to do. I actually don't love both. Like, I like the Benefit, don't get me wrong, but obviously I'm not going to repurchase it, but I don't love the First Aid Beauty primer. It's just not my favorite when it comes to primer. So I'm looking for a good primer. I want to try the Rare Beauty one because that seems like something more that's up my alley. If you have any favorite drugstore types of primers, let me know down below. I usually prime off camera so that way I can like put on my foundation right when I get on camera. So that wasn't really smart on my part because usually I like to let this sit in for like 5 minutes. So I'll probably end up going off camera in a second just to let all this soak in. I just feel like for priming capabilities it works a lot better that way, so that's probably what I'll end up doing. Okay, so primer set on a little bit, but now I'm gonna go on to foundation, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna take my Pretty Fresh from Colourpop. I've been really liking this, so this has been my go-to. I usually do like 1.5 to 2 pumps of this, depends like the coverage I want for that day. This is like a very medium coverage foundation, so I usually like to try to get like, I like this because it does like give you coverage, but it also looks not like cakey or heavy, so it's nice. Love that. So I kind of just go like that, but I'm really liking this. If you have any other favorite foundations, let me know because I recently used up some. Then I bought this one. I really needed a foundation. So I bought this one, but I do like this. I don't know, I'm just in the mood to try different foundations, I guess. I just love trying new things, especially foundation. I love trying new foundations. Like, my favorite thing is to test different ones out. So yeah, but I really like this, and if you guys follow my Instagram story, you know that, so if you used it on there a few times. I also did a first impression on this, so if you're curious on my first impressions, let me know down. Well, you can check out that video and stuff. I'll link it for you guys if you want to check it out. But I'm really loving it. My update, I'm gonna do a phone update probably in the beginning of October. Sometime in the beginning of October I'm gonna do an update, and I love it. I seriously do. It looks so nice. It like wears very nicely. And I'm going to take the Pretty Fresh concealer. I've been using this for a while. I have mine in Fair 20 Neutral, and then I have this in Fair 30 Neutral. So just a little bit of a difference. I don't know if I like this shade for concealer, but I like Tarte at picking out the perfect shade swatches and all. Colourpop does do a good job though. They have like pictures of models actually wearing it, which I feel like should become like the new thing. Just, it makes it a lot easier to find like your perfect shade. So that's really what I appreciate. And the day I'm filming this, I'm going to be filming my makeup collection video. So I don't know if this video will go up before that one. I'm not really sure the order. of everything, but that's what I'm filming today. My birthday is next week, so I debated, since I wanted makeup for my birthday, I debated like waiting off until I got that stuff in to do that, but I figured I could just do another like what I'm currently using video in a few months. So yeah, like how beautiful is this skin right now? Yesterday I did like less than 2 pumps, and I didn't necessarily, I like the coverage and everything, but I felt like it could have been better. But this definitely tops that. And for powder, I've been loving this e.l.f. powder. I have no idea what this is called. I think it's just like a finishing powder, and I've been obsessed with it. It sets down so freaking well. I love it. So I'll just take a little bit and go under my eyes and on my lids with it first, like so. I literally don't use a lot, just a little bit, and literally that's honestly all you need to, which I like. And then I'll take my fluffier brush and go on my face. And it has like a tint, but it's nothing like, it's not like a lot, it's just a little bit. And I love this so much. And yeah, this just like looks like, obviously it looks like I'm wearing makeup, but it also looks like my skin, which I really like. Having a little trouble on the side of my face, but we get through it. Take my favorite eye primer, which is the e.l.f. Putty eye primer. Stuff is so good. I don't know if I necessarily needed it, but I like it. And you guys are going to see some panty products in just a second. So to clear things up, I have 2 project pans going on right now. I have my rolling project pan, which has been going on since January, and then I just added in a second project pan, which is the Brulette project pan collab thingy that was started by Rebecca Morgan and Alexandra Shostin. So I'm in that currently. It just started on September 15th, 16th when I'm filming this, and it won't end till January, so I am in those projects and stuff like that. But I'm very excited, and 2 project pans. I was just wanting to add something, and 2 project pans is nothing, honestly. And if you want to see my intro video for the Brulette project pan, I'll link it down below for you, and also I'll try to link it in the cards so you can check it out. So first I'm going to take this white shade, and I'm just going to go into that and set my lid. This product I am trying to use up, and that is the first thing that's on the project pan. So I think I'm gonna reintroduce this into like my everyday rotation. I also have a 1 month one palette, and I'm not going to use that today, but I will be creating a look for YouTube on that soon. I've also done a few looks on IGTV Instagram stories, so be sure to make sure you're following me over there because I literally story so much, so I wouldn't want you to miss it. But I do really like this shade. I think it's really nice setting color, and it does set down the lids very nicely. And then another thing that got into the project is the Naked Urban Decay palette from obviously Urban Decay. I'm actually excited to use this today, and I'm sorry it's limited edition, but honestly these colors you can probably easily dupe out. So if you are wanting to create a look similar to what I'm going to do today, I'm pretty sure you could dupe these out generally easily. I really need to wash my brushes, but we're not going to worry about that. So first I'm just going to take Naked. This is like my first time using these panning products and stuff, as they're in a project. So I'm just going to take Naked and go into my crease with that and kind of go upwards just to add depth. Use it. And my goal is for to use this, I forget how many times I said, but I want to say I said like 15. That was like my kind of goal is 10, 15. I said that for a lot of the products, but I think my major goals were to hit pan on a few of these shades since I like have had this since 2019. I got it like 50% off when they discontinued this. So my goal is to just use this up. Well, not necessarily use it up, but I definitely want to get more use out of it than I have. And I actually am going to go into my 1 month one palette, which if you're new is the Morphe and Kathleen Lights. I'm going to take that pukey brown color. I'm just going to warm up the crease a little bit. I feel like it does a really good job at that, and I just love that color, and I've been using that palette like pretty much every day, so it's no problem. Then I'm going to take It reminds me of a show I like a lot. So that's funny. One of the characters, they call him Buck. So that's a fun time. And I'm just gonna go like in the outer crease, outer V, outer corner with it. And then I'm going to go into Toasted, which is that pinky shade. And I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray. I've honestly changed my mind about this too. Mine is like spitting at me because I think it's almost gone. Imagine I run out of it on camera. That'd be great. Then I'd have to use something else. We love that. But I don't think I'm gonna buy the Morphe setting spray anymore because I just haven't been happy with it recently. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. But I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna apply it to my lid. It's definitely not as pink as it looks in the pan. It's like almost like a golden coppery pink. I don't know how to describe it, but I love that shade. So if you have any favorite setting sprays, let a girl know. Oh yeah, that's definitely more prettier. I don't know, how would you guys describe this shade? It's almost like a rose gold, but like golden, if that makes any sense. So, and I'm gonna blend out the crease, so I feel like it got a little insane in there. I mean, the thing about this palette is like there's not really that many like deepening shades. Like all the deep shades there at the end of the palette are like shimmery, and I don't like that look. Maybe in like 2012, but not today. Not today. And I'll take my finger and take the Toasted shade and just do that. Like I got a very basic look, but I actually don't hate that. And then I'm gonna take Sin and Virgin and mix those, and then I'm gonna go in the inner corner with these. These shadows are just very creamy, which I really enjoy. Always like a creamy shadow. Do the same thing. Go on my brow bone. And yeah, I feel like that was a very basic look, but I'm going to continue to use this palette. I think it'll be perfect. I have so many lippies that I can use today, but I'm going to worry about highlight first. So I'm going to take my Laura Gellar highlight. I really need to start amping up my uses with this because summer's winding down and I feel like I won't want to wear this much longer. It is very pretty, but I really need to amp up my uses. I mean, it's pretty. It doesn't like come off super gold, and a lot of times I'll like blend my highlight into my inner corner. I'm just gonna apply this highlight, and I don't know why I haven't been using it because it's so pretty. I just love it. Love that. Yeah, I just look glowy and effortless, and this doesn't emphasize anything, so we love that. Gonna take my exposed blush from Tarte. I just want something nudie today. What? Sometimes I hate when I'm filming because my foot always falls asleep. Like, what the heck? But moving on, I guess I'll use like one of my newer lippies. The only problem about having like so many lippies in the project pan is like now I have to rotate them all. I'm gonna use this in the new project pan, glacé. Haven't really used this one that much, but I really do like it, especially for fall. Yeah, it's pretty. I like that. And then I think we'll try to make use of the gloss by just putting it in the center. Love that. All I have to do is mascara and brows. Use Big Ego by Tarte. Got this in the latest Ipsy bag and I love it. And Cooper is wild downstairs. I'm gonna use my bareminerals Strength and Length over it. I did that yesterday and I really liked it. This reminds me exactly of the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Identical. But this gives like such good length. And it separates, but the Too Faced is kind of more clumpy. Then take the bareminerals on top of this one's just like an odd brush, but I've been liking this one. Beautiful. Yeah, I do like the lip combo. It's really pretty. I feel like this can become my fall thing. But I definitely need to still use this more. Lipsticks are so hard. So take the headband out. I love the makeup today. I'm obsessed. But obviously my hair is still wet. Don't have a final outfit on, so I'm gonna go do that. Then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my finished makeup and everything. I feel like it's pretty natural, easy. I don't know, I've been doing pretty, like, I guess more colorful-ish looks the past few days, so it's nice to get back to like something more natural and not so like, not that those looks are dramatic. I've been playing around with fall type colors and like cranberry type looks, but it's fun to just do like a simple look sometimes and not do something crazy. Not that I ever do like super crazy makeup, it doesn't really happen very often, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, me using some of my Project Pan items. I definitely will do the one look, one palette video. Probably I'll try to film another look with it tomorrow stuff, just so you guys have another look. So when that video comes, it's not like I've been using the same stuff, you know what I mean? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Usual, let me know any videos you'd like to see next. And like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know, actually I don't know if I said that, but please subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Also, this is like my look. I'm wearing this dress for the first time and I love it. Bye.